Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your web camera in Streamlabs OBS if it's not looking correct, the color's off, or the brightness is off, or the gamma is off, or something like that. You can easily add a filter to it. So go to your web camera. So I have it under sources right here, camera. I have it selected. Just make sure you have the right camera. So we can go to device. Now there's some things under here we can do. We can go to resolution / FPS type, go to custom. And then we have the option to bump up the resolution. So you can go to the highest resolution available. Maybe it's 1080p for you, mine is 720, and that'll make it look the best at highest resolution. And then we can go to highest frames per second. This is going to eliminate most of like the lag you see or the movement if it's kind of delayed. Sometimes you kind of get like the shadow effect when it gets dark, like everything gets blurry. So just go to highest frames per second right here, and that'll make it look much better. And then we have things like color spacing or the color range. You can try limited or full. I don't mess with any of that stuff, but you could try like limited or full, depending on your setup. Once we have that added and the frames per second, the resolution is better, right click on the camera and go to filters. Go to edit filters. And then we can go to add filter. And we have some filter types like image, blend, crop, pad. So if we want to crop it, we have color correction, a scaling, aspect ratio. So if the scaling isn't correct, we can adjust it. Or the color key, I believe if we want to add like a background or something like this. So let's go to this. If we have like a green screen in the background, this will apply the green screen effect. So it says green, blue, red, whatever color you have in the background. I think if I went to a white, this is going to eliminate like the wall over there. And then I can pick it, this color right here. See? So you can add a green screen right there too if you want. So let's eliminate that and then go to color correction. And we have gamma, contrast. So if go to gamma, this is just going to make it a little bit whiter or brighter. So I'll try to keep everything at 0 because that was looking the best. And then we have contrast. We can increase this or decrease it. So these are just going to be the typical settings: brightness, saturation. Sometimes when you add too much saturation, it gets orange. So you might not want to add too much. So let's go back to 0 right here, or just a little bit, 0.3 or something like that. Q shift, opacity. Otherwise, we can go to whatever this is. That looks terrible. So we can just eliminate this. Can we remove it? I don't think we can. So we might have to delete the color correction and then just re-add it. So yes, this gives you a lot of options to go ahead and change your camera around if it's not quite correct. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.